This product video was generated using AI, and in this video I will show you exactly how you can do it easily step by step. So let's get started. First of all, visit the following link I will provide in the video description. We are going to use the tool called Flow. It's by Google. Then click on Create with Flow. On the next page, it will ask you to log in using your Gmail account. Once logged in, you will land on the chat page. First, we require our product image. So let's get an image of our product. Once the image is ready, you need to drop it here. Then upload image. Select your image and open it. You can use your own image. Now we need to make this image ready for the product video. So before generating the video, we will edit our product image. To edit it, click in the image tab. To edit it, click on Nano Banana 2 option, and here you can choose the ratio first, then its scale like x2. Then drag your image in the chat and write the following prompt. This prompt is custom for this product. You can generate your own prompt with your product details. I will provide this prompt in the description. You can edit it. Once done, click send. It will take some time before generating the product images. The product images are now ready. You can see them. They look very cool and professional, just like a studio photo shoot. Once the image is ready, click on the three dots and download the image. Now our image is ready. Now we will use Claude to generate a prompt for our product video. So visit Claude and sign up for free account. Then drag and drop your product image in the chat. Then ask it to analyze the photo and generate a prompt for view video. I will provide this prompt in the description as well. Then click send. It will give you a powerful prompt for the product video, which we can use in the tool Flow. Simply copy the prompt, go back in the Flow, and here click on Nano Banana 2. Then select the video tab, and here you can choose the ratio as your desired product video. Then drag the product image in the chat and paste the video prompt we just created with Claude. Once done, click send. It will take some time and the video will be generated. Our video is now ready. To preview it, click on the video. Then let's first download it. To download, click the download button at the top right corner. Now let's play the video. Isn't that amazing? This video looks like real and professional studio photo shoot. This is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for more productive videos.